Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. So today in this video we are going to see job openings from Aurobindo Pharma. So Aurobindo Pharma is recruitment for the following positions: production and packaging. So let us see the vacancy details. They are hiring for production and packaging department. The qualification they are looking for is B.Pharma or M.Pharma candidates. So the number of years of experience they are seeking is minimum of 3 to 4 years experience. So these are the details regarding the job opening. Friends, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, do subscribe and also click the notification bell icon. So let us move to the further details of the job opening. Friends, the job location is Bachupally. So if you are interested to apply for this job opening, you can send your resume to the following mail ID at the Venkatamuralikrishna.boddupalli @aurobindo.com. So the selection process will be on the basics of interview itself. So after sending your resume, shortlisted candidates will be called for interview as per the notification. So let us see some more details. For executive, 2 to 7 years of experience with B.Pharma or M.Pharma. Working location Unit 3, oral solid dosage form, Bachupally. The department is packaging. The position is executive experience, 2 to 7 years or experience. B.Pharma or M.Pharma. OSD department is production. So these are the job responsibilities for each position they are hiring for. For the position DCM, the experience they are seeking is 19 years of experience with B.Pharma or M.Pharma. The working location is Unit 3, OSD, Bachupally. Immediate joiners are preferable. As above said positions, executive or senior executive need to support in shifts. So you need to work in shifts. Male candidates are preferable for this job openings. Friends, thank you for watching and please share this information with your friends so that they can also apply for this job opening, and thank you.